How to create blog posts in Shopify. So first go to Shopify and then click on content here at the left side. Then click on blog post. Then click on create blog post. Now here you can begin creating your blog post here. Just fill in all the details here for your blog post. So just type in your title here. So I'm just going to type in test blog post here. And then here, as for the content, you can begin adding your content of your blog post here. So I'm just going to use AI here. So let's say I'm going to say 3 custom products for Christmas. And then click on generate. And then the AI will generate my content here for my blog post. And then click on keep if you're satisfied with that. If you're not, you can just click on generate again. Okay, now once you're here, you can also start formatting your text here as well. You can see the options here at the top. Now you can also add images here, videos, and links. All right, so next is, as for the excerpt, you can also add a summary here for your post. All right, begin adding your summary here. And then for the search engine listing, you can add your meta description here. And then if you're not for the visibility, you can also make it visible or hidden. That's up to you. And then if you want to add image, you can add your image here as well. As for the organization here, you can add tags here. And then you can also change this blog here, or you can just create a new blog if you want. And then as for the theme template, right now we only have the default blog post. So let's just choose that. And then after that, once you fill in all the details here, you can just click on save here at the top. And then there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.